Hey YouTube, this is Ryan, and this is my life. Hey, so for this episode or this video's unboxing, we will be unboxing this Dewalt pressure washer. I've been eyeing on one of these for a long time, ever since it came out. Um, and yeah, so I'll just go and do an unboxing, and I don't want to do this. One thing I don't like about these reviews is when or unboxing is when the creator or the YouTuber is delaying the unboxing. So I'm at 40 seconds right now, so I'm not going to get started. And I'll talk as I go. Alright, so let's unbox this thing. And we can talk about details as soon as I open it. So I picked this up yesterday from Home Depot. I didn't catch it on sale. But, it's just one of those things that might as well just go ahead and get it instead of just keep on waiting. I've contemplated on getting a gas-powered one, but really for what I mainly want to use this for, I don't think I'll need to use a gas-powered one. Alright, so as soon as you open the box, you get your instruction manual, and there's just a pin. I'm not sure what this pin is for. We'll find out. Alright, and then put this away. Safety first, right? Okay. See if I can just pull this out. Let's hope nothing falls off from the workbench. And there you go. I'm gonna go through the box here in a second. So one reason why I wanted to go with this thing is because I just like the design of it, like the shape and the design of it being, rectangular, and then I can put it in one of these shelves up in this garage, and yeah, I like it a lot. So the hose is packaged right here. I'll get the most use out of these before I maybe upgrade eventually, but we'll see how these work and see if they're any good. Alright, let's take all this bag off. So you got, I said, there's the hose right there. Just yank it out of there. Yeah, feels okay. See where it's made. I don't know if it will say where it's made at, but it's rated for 2100 psi for the pressure, which this pressure washer is rated for. So obviously, as you can tell, I didn't go with a gas. It's an electric. There's the other side. So I would be thinking this would be the back side. And then you could pretty much, from just functioning these things, you could roll it and carry it like that. There's your cord, and then you have the soap bottle here. Yeah, put your soap in there. So I've never really owned a pressure washer before. This would be my first one. Yeah, it feels high quality. I like the aluminum. There's plastic handle here. It's got a little give to it, a little bend. Yeah, the plastic seems fairly high quality. And of course, as you can tell, I'm a big Dewalt fan. So it only made sense to get something that was Dewalt. I looked at a Craftsman one that was $100, but we'll see how this thing works. And I got this for $249.99. So like I say, it wasn't on sale when I bought it. I think I've seen it like $199 before. So expanding on my Dewalt tool line, and then I don't really use Craftsman anymore. I just like maybe some of their stuff, but all right, so let's keep on opening this thing. So you got a little compartment inside. Open it this way. And then get your nozzle. This is the actual gun itself. Yeah, it feels pretty good. But you know, I really don't have a way to tell, you know, what is good quality or not, because this will be my first pressure washer that I've owned. I mean, it's just stainless from what I could tell. That's an extension bar, I think. And then here's the gun itself. It's got a little safety lever to this thing. And then push it back down. So, yeah. Okay. I don't know if I should put Teflon tape on it, but we'll find out. I'll read the instructions, and you got your tips right here to go with. I think you do have to use this thing. It's not just push and pull. You don't want to start pulling the trigger on this thing and it become a ballistic, especially when you're washing vehicles. All right, so yeah, seem to be pretty happy about this. Let's see what else is in here. I think that's pretty much it in there. So like I said, there's all these car reviewers or car detailers that talk bad about all this, guns that come with the pressure washer itself. And that's why I went with this kind of mid-level one. That's for $249. That's why you have a little bit higher quality of a gun, and that you're not stuck with ones that were really cheap from other brands. And this is one thing you could upgrade easily, and you can use this as a spare. And eventually we'll do this. I'll upload a video as well, as far as on how well it'll wash this truck. See all that? We went hiking recently, and the trailheads had some gravel roads and some mud pits, so get a little dirty on this vehicle. So once weather keeps on getting better, then we will put this to the test. See what else I'm gonna talk about here. One thing I also want to use this for is for my front porch, where it's got lots of moss and maybe mildew. So hopefully this will be able to get all that out. Alright, so for putting this thing together. And one neat thing with the packaging is that they added a nozzle guide for you, and we'll go through each one of them. And then also, if you lose this thing, I guess I really don't want to keep that in there. Kind of tells you the same thing, to where it's gentle right here, and then goes all the way to abrasive. So the turbo nozzle will be the most abrasive one. Is that what you want to use to like clean off? What I'll try to do would be cleaning off the moss on my front porch. So yeah, it tells you like the range there of what the nozzles that come with it. Yeah, let me just quickly put these things together and then see how they fit, and then we'll go from there. Okay. All right, so it's your handle right here. It's like screw this in. I didn't really read the instructions if I should put Teflon tape on that, but we'll see if it leaks. But it's got like rubber O-ring in there, so hopefully it'll just do hand tight. And as far as your nozzle guide, so referencing that nozzle guide again, so if you pull one of these, the neat thing with these is that, focus here, it's kind of hard to tell with the lighting, but it shows you the 15 degrees. There you go. So this one is the 15-degree nozzle, and then so this one will be the 40, and then this will be your soaper, which is really just like a flimsy plastic one. I'm not sure if I'll even want to use this. Eventually I want to get one of those foam cannons or foam guns, whatever they're called, from washing vehicles. So, but this will be good for now. And you cannot use these just by like this. So you do need the extension, the actual bars. So, which is the other interesting thing with these things, is that you'd think it'd be, you have the ability to keep it short, be able to use just the gun part, but that's what I'll get for when upgrading to a, oops, wrong side. Upgrading to another gun. All right. All right, so there you go, and then you pop one of these off from your handle, and then you, like I said, make sure it snaps on, and then you pull on it, push pull, and then make sure it's locked. And these things are fairly nice. They're rubber, so it's got a fairly good tight fit in there. So this shouldn't fall off that easy. So, and of course, you got your hose. I'm not gonna unwind the whole thing yet, but I'll I'll get it to where I can hook it to this gun. So this will be this end. There's a term for this size, I forgot what it is, but maybe I'll make a video note on there on your screen. So really just tighten this and you're good to go, or for the most part. So yeah, this will work. So far I like it. And then going through this main unit again. This is where you'll attach the other end, or not. No, this will be where your hose goes, or your water line. All right, and then I think I'll buy some quick connects on these, so I don't have to like thread it in every time. So that it'll make the setup easier. So it locks there. There's your on and off button. Okay. No, this is where your water hose goes into. Like I said, this is my first time having a pressure washer, so, and this thing will make it through there. So yeah, so this is where your actual pressure wand and your hose goes to. We'll see how long that'll live, but hopefully that won't get loose internally. And then if you have a startup guide, kind of gives you a step-by-step. Wait a few seconds when you're pressuring the system. Yeah, so that's pretty good. So the box does tell you a lot more. I mean, let's see. Like I said, 2100 psi. Got the storage. So we went through. There's all the nozzles that comes with the box that you all saw. And then, yeah, really that's it. It's an unboxing video. So, yeah, what I could tell is just, it seems to be a good quality. We'll have to turn it on, and maybe I'll either make this an unboxing video only, or I'll make it a longer video to where it's got the pressure washing part with it. So, but more videos to come. That's all I can say. All right, thank you all for watching.